All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, if you've noticed lately, we've been looking at the 3-day charts on a lot of things, and I think it's a smart move. Not financial advice, of course, but I'm looking at the bigger picture of things, the macro scale, because the fact that we are in a bear market, we got a couple years before we flip bullish for crypto. It's good to look and zoom out and see these better dollar cost average prices, these discount prices that we can get into these different projects. So something like SDN here, which is actually a DApp hub on Kusama. If this thing survives the bear market, wouldn't you want to get in on the cheapest prices you can? So that's why I'm showing you this. This thing's in a massive downtrend here. Bear flag printed, so it has broken out. The bear flag is in play right now. And I would say, since it respects these Fibonacci levels and these patterns so well on the 3-day chart, that these targets are more likely than not going to get hit. So um, let me redo that there. So your first support down here is 25 cents on SDN, so a potential 6% drop. And if you lose that, the 1618 support down here at 17 for a 35.5% drop. So I would say over time that these targets do get hit. So this is where you just dollar cost average in at these price levels. And eventually at one, the market will flip bullish and will bounce and everything will go to the moon. But in the meantime, to scroll out on these the macro picture of things, you can see a better price to get in. So hopefully that you understand that. Not financial advice, of course, but the measured move on this one right here from the flagpole takes you down to the 2618 at 9 for that 65% drop, which is potentially going to get hit. You know, so you have three prices there to watch: to dollar cost average in, to SDN. So that's why I make these videos, so you know what's potentially at play. And for any kind of bullish momentum to the upside, say you come down to 25 or 17 and bounce, of course, you come down to 17, you'd have to get back over 25 as your first resistance in the 28. If you bounce at 25, then 28 is going to be your first resistance price to get over. If you don't ever go lower and you come back up here and retest this and break through it, you're looking at a 7.5% move almost at 28. If you get past 28, then 31, 32 up here is your next stop for a potential, we'll say 17% move up here to the 618. So that could potentially happen, but more likely than not, this is going to play out 25 and then 17. So I just wanted to point that out for anybody invested. You can see the Hakanashi candles are trending down. Huge red candles on there. RSI is extremely bearish down here. Lots of selling pressure coming in. Lots of selling volume coming in. So, yeah, it looks like the lower price targets are going to get hit on SDN. But like I said, we are on the 3-day chart. So a little zoomed out macro scale of things for you to kind of look at prices. So, yeah, with that being said, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Hopefully, you get something out of these videos. If you do, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. And if you get anything out of the videos, please hit that like button on your way out. It only takes about a half a second to do so, and it really helps out. So, thanks again, everyone. Peace out.